Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a vertical divider, such as this one in Notion. I know it's very easy to add a horizontal one, right? You just click on this plus icon, come here and just add a divider, and this is horizontal, right? But to make a vertical one, it's very easy. You just come here on any empty space, okay? Let me go ahead and delete this to show you. Find any empty space and then type in / quote. Okay? Then I want you to click on this. So you see a start of a small line. What I want you to do is hold shift on your keyboard and press enter as many times as you want to create a longer line, right? As long as you want the line to be, and then we can drag it right here and place it. And there you go. That is how, guys, you can go ahead and make a vertical divider.